Clelia, I just had a brilliant idea. Do you want to create an unforgettable experience together?
Absolutely, Andrew. Tell me, what do you have in mind?
We should start planning our own 8-day yoga retreat in Italy, centered around the exploration of the chakras.
Yes, Andrew. And because it will be 1 week, every day we can do one chakra so they can have the full experience of the system.
Exactly. Each day we can work on one chakra, balancing its energy through both yoga and meditation. But what else do you think we can include to make it a more complete experience?
Okay, of course there will be everyday yoga classes, but we can also create a special experience to really match the energy of each chakra. So for example, we can go hiking, we can have water meditation, we can have a special breath work practice.
I love it. This sounds like the perfect opportunity to share our passion for yoga with others and help to deepen their practice.
And because it will be in Italy, man, the mountain there, the river will be a perfect place to really make this magic happens. And we want to talk about the food, man. It's Italy.
Awesome. I'm in. Let's make this retreat a reality and help others to awaken their inner potential.
Yes, man. Let's do it.
Thanks for watching our skit, guys. Hope you enjoyed. We made this video because we want to invite you to our upcoming Chakra Journey yoga retreat that's happening this May in Italy.
It will be the second edition, and because last year was very fantastic, we really invite you to enjoy, to practice together and meet us and have a beautiful yoga experience.
Yeah, it's really so filling the heart to meet you and to practice in person. So if you want more information about the retreat, it'll be the first link in the description. And with that said, thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.
Namaste.